you start with double leaf. Okay, take double leaf and put it face up on top of your deck. Okay, so this is double, and you can do any double leaf that you know. Okay, just take double leaf and put it face up on top of your deck and a little bit out jog, and the distance is about your fingertips, so don't go too far. Okay, it's just about your fingertips. Okay, so where your finger can reach the card, because you need this finger to execute the first move. Okay, so one time here, take a double leaf. Okay, about here, and your other hand, or your right hand, come cover, and when you cover, you secretly split the card. Okay, remember, there's a two card right here, the bottom card, and this is the top card. Okay, so your hand come and secretly make a little gap, and your finger reach the bottom card, and the first move is you just push the bottom card like this. Okay, here. Okay, so you come. Okay, reach a little bit, split the card, so you can reach, your finger can reach the bottom card, and just push. Okay, so this is the first move. You come, split, and push the bottom card with your finger. Okay, so here and push, and when your finger push, your hand slide back. Okay, follow or cover the movement. Okay, here, follow, and just when your finger stop right here, your hand press the bottom card with your thumb and continue slide back the card until they are separate like this. Okay, so one more time. Okay, remember, place right here, you come, split. Okay, push, come, continue. Okay, until the card is separate like this. Okay, so from here is shape angle. Okay, so one time here. Okay, you come. Okay, split, follow, slide until the card right now is separate. Okay, so after you in this position, you just drop the bottom card. Right now the bottom card become the top card, and just slide until they are square together. Okay, you can use your finger again just to hold the card, and after that you just reveal. Okay, one more time here. Okay, cover, split. Okay, slide, cover, and just continue. Okay, until they pop out, separate, place, and just slide until they are square together, and then reveal. Okay, so from the beginning. Okay, remember, come, double leaf, put it face up. Okay, about here, come, cover, slide till they are separate, and then reveal. Okay, so take double leaf, put it face up on top of your deck about your fingertip. Okay, remember, here, cover, separate the card. Okay, slide until the the bottom card. Here, if you want it, you can stay in this position for a moment. After that, you just square the card together and reveal the card chain. Okay, and to do the cleanup, okay, because right now you are in this position. Okay, to do the cleanup, okay, the easy way is you just take these two, flip it, and take the top card, put it in the middle. Okay, you can snap your fingers, look like the card jump back to the top. So you can do ambitious trick for this change. And of course, if you have any card switch that you know, you can do it to do the cleanup. And at the end, you can hand out this for the audience to examination.